Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic, that is under the sea. How many of them seen beach? Have you seen National Geographical Channel? In that we can watch oceans, seas, different types of creatures, animals, etc. There will be beautiful creatures under the sea. The ocean is an huge body of salt water. How the ocean water will be, children? It is salty, right? From where does the saltness comes? It comes from the chemical substances. Okay, so that's why it is very salty. Many living creatures live in the sea, oceans, like blue whale, dolphin, sharks, crabs, jellyfish, octopus. Yes or no? Yes. There are many beautiful creatures living under the sea water. This nature, ocean, mountain, these are all the beautiful creation of God. So let's move into our unit under the sea. Many wonderful creatures live in the sea. Some are large but others are small. Some colorful and some with varied patterns. Some live deep in the ocean. Let's see what some of these are. So in the sea water, you can see many wonderful creatures like fish, octopus, crabs, etc. Some are large in size, some are small in size, same like our fingers in the hands. Whether it is in the same size? No, right? Some are long, some are short, some are thin, and five fingers are in the different size. Okay, same like in the sea, some creatures are large and some are small. Some have bright colors and some have light colors, and some of them have mixed colors, and some with varied patterns, means some are in triangle shape, some are in circle shape, oval shape, and some are only with arms, etc. Some live in the deep of the ocean and some are floating upwards. Seahorses are a small type of fish. They are 5 centimeter long. What is this? Do you know? This is a seahorse. Seahorses are a small type of fish. They are 5 centimeter long. What is seahorse, children? Seahorse is a small tiny fish. They are named as seahorse for the shape of their head. A tiny horse. Their head are similar to the horse head. So it is called as seahorse. It has a small pouch like how kangaroo have. Okay. Angelfish are colorful with different patterns. The young angelfish usually has a different pattern from the adult fish. They live among coral reefs. So angelfish. Angelfish are colorful with different patterns. Different patterns means with different shapes. It has different shapes. The young angelfish usually has a different pattern from the adult fish. So the young angelfish and adult angelfish has different shapes. Okay, they live among coral reef. It is live among a coral reef in between the big rocks. It is an aquarium pet. Okay, it lives in the aquarium with different colors, black and yellow or blue and yellow. Okay, its body is flat and round. Seals look very clumsy on land, but they move very fast in water and are good swimmers. A layer of fat called bubbler keeps the seals warm. So seals. This is called seals. Here you can see in this picture, they look very clumsy on land. Okay, they move differently. Clumsy means move awkwardly. They move differently using their arms. They do not have legs. They move very fast in water. They are a very good swimmers. Seals are a mammals. Mammals means an animal that gives a birth to the young one from its own body. Okay, they drink milk when they are in small baby. So they are warm-blooded animal. So the layer of bubbler keeps the seal warm. Bubbler means fat of animals covered with too much of flesh. It is a fat animal that keeps the seal warm. They do not have legs. Sea anemones are brightly colored, have wavy tentacles and look like plants. Their mouth is in the middle of their bodies. Next, sea anemones means a small bright colored sea creature that lives on a rocks and it looks like a plant. Okay, you can see in this picture. Their mouth is in the middle of their body. It is like a plant. Sharks swim in the open sea. They have huge strong jaws with several rows of teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly. Sharks are very furious creature. Sharks, what is the shark? Shark means a big fish. A shark will attack humans and other creatures in the sea, right? If they get scared, they will attack us. It swims in the open sea. They have a huge and strong jaws with several rows of teeth. If they lose their teeth, another one grows quickly. Sharks are very furious animals. Furious means very angry creature. Okay, so today we have learned about some sea creatures. Here you have a small poem, that is my goldfish. All day long he swims around his little home of glass. He never smiles, he never frowns. I watch him pass and pass. So, if you have a fish at home, you will keep them in a small aquarium, right? So what it does all day, it will swim around in its little home, right? He never smiles and he never shows any facial expression of anger. Only it swims all around and it will watch him, and the poet will watch him passing round and round. Here the poet expressing by seeing a fish what the fish is doing in this poem. Round the globe and round again, makes me dizzy watching. Open mouth and shut again, wonder what he is catching. When I watch him moving round and round again, it makes me dizzy. For example, when you see anything turning round and round, you feel that everything is moving around. Same like here, the poet is telling, when I see the fish moving round and round, I feel dizzy. So it opens its mouth and then shut again. And I wonder what he is catching. So it is nothing but it is catching oxygen through its mouth. Shining like a piece of gold, glittering like a star, never winking, never blinking, round and round the jar. It shines like a piece of gold. It shines like a piece of gold and glitter like a star. It never blinks its eyes, it does not close or opens its eyes. So it only keeps moving around and round, never blinks its eyes also. Round the globe and round again, round eyes never blinking, looking very, very wise, wonder what he is thinking. So it moves round and round, but its eyes never blinks. It looks very wise. Wise means very clever, but I am wondering that what he is thinking. So the poet expressing about the fish, what the fish is doing, why it is moving all around, but it does not show any expression. So the poem is written by John R. Crossland.